We've been talking about this all week, and the night has finally arrived. Scattered thunderstorm potential across the area tonight. Some of those could be strong to severe, especially west of I-35. And then a heavy rain threat. 1 to 3 inches of rain will be possible with locally higher totals by the time all is said and done Saturday evening. And this could actually come in two parts. Thunderstorms tonight and then more scattered activity by Saturday afternoon and evening. It clears out on Sunday, so the back half of the weekend's looking good. And a lot of us have been waiting on fall, and it finally arrives on Tuesday. That's when a strong cold front should get here. Let's check out our flood watch for tonight. It does encompass most of central Texas. Even if you're not in the green shaded area, you're probably still going to see a decent amount of rain. So I think all of us get rain. Heaviest will be where you see the green, 1 to 3 inches with possibly higher totals. Now, as we head through this evening, the highest potential for severe weather will be along and west of 35, and then after midnight, still a chance for isolated severe storms, but it should start to taper off just a little bit. We could see up to quarter-size hail in some of the storms, but notice that's a lower threat. Wind, a bigger threat, up to 65 miles per hour, 4 out of 10 on that. Can't rule out an isolated tornado or two, especially west of I-35. So that's where we will be watching for that. But again, it's on the low side, so that's good news. And of course, the flooding threat is on the high side, as we will be seeing some locally heavy rain from these showers and thunderstorms moving in. Now, as we get into Saturday, it looks like the northwestern half of the area probably going to see some showers and thunderstorms, but the best instability will be across the southeastern half of the area. And that will mainly be a hail threat, quarter to $half size hail in a few isolated thunderstorms here. Everything else is pretty much on the low side, with the exception of the flooding threat if we get some of that over those creeks and streams. Again, this is not as big a deal as what we are expecting for tonight. So let's check that out in our future track, showing that thunderstorms will be moving in, stopping here at 9 p.m. You can see the thunderstorms rolling in west of I-35 as we head toward 10, 11 o'clock. That's approaching the I-35 corridor, and that will continue to blow on through, and strong winds will be possible with that. Then as we get into Saturday during the wee hours of the morning, heaviest storms will be along and east of I-45. Still some rain back behind this, and Saturday morning, I think it tapers off for a little bit, but then we get a little sunshine peeking through from time to time through lunchtime, and here we go again, more scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, I will tell you this. This is one of the more aggressive models. Other models aren't nearly as widespread with the showers and storms. So again, kind of take this with a grain of salt, at least scattered activity around as we head into Saturday evening. Then it's out of here Saturday night going into Sunday. So let's check out what the latest models are showing. And as we take you all the way through Saturday evening, again, in general, 1 to 3 inches of rain looking pretty likely with locally higher totals across the area. We need the rain, so definitely a godsend there. So for tonight, temperatures will be down into the 60s for us, then highs in the 70s as we make our way through Saturday. Kind of a rainy football kind of day across the region. And as we take a look at your forecast, we will warm up on Sunday, 82 degrees for a high. Monday at 86, then here comes your front. Strong north winds Tuesday and Wednesday, 74 for a high on Tuesday, 69 degrees for a high on Wednesday, then into the 70s through Halloween. Looking great here with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. And in the Brazos Valley, a few thunderstorms for you as we head through Saturday. Then Sunday looks a lot better. 83 degrees for a high, upper 80s on Monday. That's only for a day. Then we're right back down. Maybe a 20% chance of an isolated shower there on Tuesday and 76. And look at that nice fall weather right through Halloween.